Hello everybody and welcome back. We're now in a tutorial on how to install Google Meet on the Nintendo Wii. It's a, you know what I say about this tutorial? It's a very rare tutorial that people might find this interesting. Google Meet on a Nintendo Wii. Right. Well, I think, imagine that, I think there can be also an Instagram what, which is very, very rare to find. A very rare thing this tutorial is on Google Meet. Okay, let's go here. Paste the link and go. Alright, so here this is a link, FlopTube Disney Plus. I think in my later videos I'm gonna make videos of one of these, like Instagram, Disney Plus, in my other videos that I may make, the new ones. But now we're gonna start with this. It says Europe. Well, let's see if it works. Well, actually, look, my Nintendo Wii is an American Wii that I'm using. My Nintendo Wii is American. It's not European. So let's try if a Europe channel works on an American Wii. Let's test. This is only a test. And we have it here. Okay, 1 second please. I need to get the SD card. Alright, we have the SD card connect on the computer, and then I'm gonna move this Google Meet Europe dot what to the SD card. To what? Done. Now we have it. Now we are going to the Nintendo Wii. We're now on the Nintendo Wii console, and we are going to install, we're here to continue to install the Google Meet channel. Okay, here we are. Auto Wii Mod Lite. Web Manager, Google Meet. Oh. Okay, we'll go press home. Go back to the Homebrew channel. Back here. And now we'll auto exit to system menu. Right? This is the Google Meet. We have the channel here. Huh. Yep, that's the one. Alright, You see that? That looks like a nuclear explosion or looks like hell over there. That one in that picture, in that theme of it. So let's start it. And see if it works. Oh, this channel can't be used. It's basically saying because it says this channel can be used because it's European, that what. And my Wii that I'm using is an American Wii. So it doesn't work in an American Wii. But what you can do to make this channel Google Meet work in your American Wii is use preloader. Well, I think I may make that tutorial later on one of these days, or I'll make other tutorials about Wii channels like such as Disney Plus, Instagram, etc. Yeah, any of that. Right. So let me just shut down the Wii. Give me a second. Turn it off. It's off. Okay, let's turn it back on. Alright, so it didn't work. Well, Japanese channels cannot work on this type of Wiis, on this type of American Wiis. Also, like the food channel, is on Japanese, but it can work here. But you can use preloader for that. Well, I'll make a tutorial of that, I guess. Okay. Thanks for watching.